Sla. 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 You guys been correcting me so much. So we're gonna be doing Kurdish music, everybody. So I hope you guys are ready. Sla. Okay. I'm gonna get it. One day I will get it. I'm gonna practice. Sla. Sla. Anyways, so the latest song we reacted to Komsai. Oh my gosh, I love her. She's amazing, and the dancers too. But we're gonna come back to her later. But today I have a different reaction. So this is Kurdish. Get into it. Thumbs up for more, and let's go. Oh, Aryas. Oh. Okay. His. These girls don't know how to dance. Like, they would have called me and be like, it's Dro. Please teach them a choreography or how to do something. Like, I want motivation, but like, these girls are not giving me life. I'm sorry. I do it better, period. These girls are boring me, to be honest. Hosh. Yes. He's very attractive, I won't lie. It's very tempo. Oh, okay. Just sitting, yes. I mean, he sings really good. Is it my type of songs that I will go for? Not really, but he's a good singer. The other song was good, but the video was kind of boring. But let me see this one if it's like better. Hopefully it's better. I like Aryas. He's an amazing singer. I know that. But like the videos, you gotta give me something, you know? Oh. And he has a tattoo on his arm. Oh, girl. Oh. He's very attractive. I'm not gonna lie. He is very attractive. I'm sorry. Okay, Aryas. Okay, he is good. He's a good singer. I like his tone. He has that like, it's good. I feel like the problem for me is like the video, the concept or the idea, like the creative part of the video. If I were him, I would like hire somebody that will, you know, come out with a better idea to make a video. There are so many ways you can make a video more entertainment. For me, we're a little bit boring because you know me, I'm very like, you know, I want to see something. It's not just, if he wants to do just a video of him singing, he could just like do like an acoustic version differently. But if you make a music video, I want to see something. So that's my only concern. But he's good. Okay, thank you for those who requested it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want more Kurdish, it's on the screen. And if you don't, then until I make another one, definitely we're gonna do more